So visualization in Python. So in this course, when we solve the optimization problem, I usually prefer to show you how to visualize the decision variables and also the objective functions. So for this purpose, there are some multiple packages in Python, like Seaborn, like ggplot, like bokeh, like pygal, and also Plotly and geoplotly, gleam, missing no, leather, and also the main one that I'm going to use it throughout this course is Matplotlib. So we can use these tools to visualize our decision variables and also the objective functions and how they are changing with the decision maker. Okay, and also so we don't have any insist of using any specific package in Python, but for simplicity I have chosen the Matplotlib, but you feel free to change that part of the code and do the visualization by your own creativity. So in order to learn more about the Matplotlib, you can Google it, and there is a website called matplotlib.org, and it has a gallery. It has multiples of solved examples, so you can easily use them. You don't need to memorize everything, of course, but if you need anything, you can go to the gallery and find out which of these examples are much closer to what you exactly need. So this is an example. For example, you need to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and import numpy as np. And for example, in this plot, you can see there are some random shapes are scattered in the plane. Okay, so this is the application of a scatter plots, and you finally show that plot to your audience. Okay, so that's the way you visualize the things in Python. This is very simple, but you need to practice as well. Thank you very much.